Ready to build your ultimate pond paradise? At Outdoor Water Solutions, we manufacture the toughest systems and treatments to perfect your water.
Is your pond leaking faster than evaporation? If so, then you probably have a leak. Most pond owners think that the only way to fix a leak is to drain the pond and rebuild it. But today, I'm going to show you Soilfloc and how it can stop those leaks. Ponds leak for one main reason: the soil can't hold water. When water finds these weak areas, it slowly escapes from the pond. That's why some ponds lose several inches of water every week. Traditionally, fixing a leaky pond meant draining the pond, adding clay or bentonite, then compacting everything with heavy equipment. That works, but it's expensive and time-consuming. Soilfloc is a polymer sealant designed to stop leaks without draining the pond. It comes in two parts, Part A and Part B. Once applied, the particles sink and move toward the leaking area. When they reach the leak, they expand and create a flexible seal that stops water from escaping. Here's the easiest way to think about Soilfloc. Water flows through the leak, and the polymers follow that flow. When they reach the leak, they swell up and plug the pathway. This creates a flexible, waterproof barrier inside the pond soil. That's why Soilfloc has been used on thousands of ponds, lakes, and reservoirs. Application is simple. Many pond owners apply it from a boat or from the shoreline. Within days, the polymers begin sealing the leaking pathways. Once the leaks are sealed, your pond can return to its normal water level. In many cases, Soilfloc provides a long-term solution without rebuilding the pond. If your pond won't hold water, Soilfloc could be the easiest solution for you. Check out the link below to learn more or talk with our pond specialists at Outdoor Water Solution. We've got amazing deals that include free utility suits and pond dye to aid you in your journey on fixing your leaking pond.